pair this creator chip, the Intel Core 7, nicely with the drive. We will use this ultra high-speed 7450 megabyte GiGiMundo. GiGiMundo was nice enough to send this to me for some testing, and I will be making a video on the benchmarking. That'll be the next video. Very nice. This one's a 2 terabyte. Oh no. Oops. Okay, don't unbox over a motherboard. Okay. Oh cool, it's already put together. Wow, that is a heatsink. This thing's like a tank. Okay, let's put it in one of these lower ones because I don't want it to mess with the graphics card clearance. Standoff. Yeah, I've been very impressed with their drives though. And I'm going to put it in this one. Okay, that's the 2280 slot. All right, now for the tank. I can imagine it's fast. All right, it is in. Kind of matches with the silvery colors. Very cool. Thank you once again to GiGiMundo for providing such a high-powered, awesome drive. Hello and welcome to another edition of Fix64. I'm Darren Hadley. Right now I am running a CrystalDiskMark SSD storage benchmark test. It takes a while to complete. For now, let's talk a bit about this SSD from GiGiMundo that they sent me. It is the GS5 and it's 2 terabytes. It's PCIe Gen 4 by 4. And of course it's an NVMe SSD M.2, and it can be used with PS5 and PS5 Pro, an M.2 2280, and with the heatsink included that's already installed. Really nice heatsink. I mean, it looks really good too. It will fit with the PS5, and that also helps. The speed of it helps with latency-free gaming in the PS5. Let's see, it's available in 1 terabyte and 2 terabytes. As you can see, I installed it in the latest FLP01 case build. It's an Intel build, an Ultra 7 265K, and it's I can't even hear this machine, and it has 11 fans. It's crazy. GiGiMundo GS5 is keeping plenty cool inside it. It's hovering usually around 30 to 40 Celsius. I haven't looked at it under load yet though. I don't know for sure, but this benchmark may show temps. I've never ran this benchmark before. But we're going to also do some CrystalDiskMark, and I think that's it. I'm going to do a whole video on benchmarking this computer, this latest build. We'll do our usual, 3D marks and Call of Duty and all that stuff. This SSD is also, it's excellent for gaming, content creation, and other tasks. It's fast. It's really fast. I mean, this thing boots in like 1 second. It's crazy. So yeah, it's an excellent drive. I highly recommend it. I've even bought more GiGiMundos for other builds since reviewing the last one I did. So yeah, they've been wonderful. Okay, I've never used this before, so you got a 2288, whatever that means. I don't know what I'm comparing it to really. Call of Duty Black Ops 4 loads 691 megabits per second. 900 in Battlefield. Installing a game 161, save game 126, moving a game 2084. Let's see what the online. Yeah, this really hasn't given me much. Okay, alright, let's just do CrystalDiskMark. Okay, so let's go with sequential read and write speed test. Should be about 7,000, yep, in there, and about 6,000 something in there. Very good. Yep, 6,139. Let's try it with 2 gigabytes. Nice. Wow. Yep, operating within spec. Up to 7450 and 6,000 range on the right. Cool. So read is, yeah, awesome. Let's move a really big file. Nice. 64 gigabyte file. That's, yeah, it's working hard. Let's see what the write score is now. Cool. Okay. Very nice. GiGiMundo does it again. Let's see. Yeah, I guess that's probably it. I was hoping the 3D Mark I'd understand that better. I need to look into that, apparently. I just thought it would give me some, you know, kind of write speeds like CrystalDiskMark, but it was actually doing games and stuff, so that's, I'll have to figure that one out. I just bought it, so I've never even used it. Cool. Okay, I would like to thank GiGiMundo for sending over this GS5 gaming SSD. Look for it on Amazon. I have an exclusive discount for all of you viewers in my description and pinned to the comments below. So check that out. Really good deal on this 2 terabyte drive. Read speed up to 7450. It's awesome. Anyway, I'd like to thank my viewers. I'd like to thank my subscribers, and I'd like to thank GiGiMundo once again. And yeah, check out the link below for a discount, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.